What do you have to say for yourself, Missy? Huh? Callie. You gonna talk? Tell me what you think. Yeah. What do you think, baby girl? You trying to scooch away? What do you think? You were talking up a storm a minute ago. Oh, really? You gonna talk some more? Callie. Callie. Hi. Hi. What's that girl doing? Oh, goodness. Those are some big sneezes.